Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Excel file to pipe delimited file. On my computer you can see I have an Excel file, Xlsx. I can open it with Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel. It's just showing what is inside of Excel file. I cannot change it. You can see there is a one spreadsheet data with state name, state code, region, subregion, columns. So I'm gonna convert this file. I want to install app and to convert this file from Excel to pipe delimited. In order to do this, I will go to my website. This is my website, and we'll click on search and type Xlsx to pipe. Yep. And I need this one because this is old Excel file, like Excel 97 or something. It's XLS file. This is a new Xlsx file, and I need Xlsx to pipe delimited. I'll click on it and click on download to start the loading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on Excel file and converting Excel file. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I will click on downloaded archive. Then double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I'll double click on shortcut to launch app. I can close this and this and this to leave only app running. And conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, I will click on this button and select my Excel file, input file. So I need states Xlsx, this one, right? Click open, click on next. If my Excel file first row has column names, I will keep it checked. Usually Excel file first row has column names. Click on next step and click on run on final step to create pipe file. And it will ask me for location and name of the file. This name and location is okay, just save. And then let's go and see file. I can open it into, I can right click and open it into with Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside you can see it's pipe delimited file with all data in it. And first row is a column names, so state name, pipe symbol, state code, pipe symbol, state region, subregion, and so on, and all data for all states. So yeah, basically that's it. We have converted our Excel file to pipe. If you will have a couple spreadsheets, you will have couple files. It will ask you for folder where to store all these files. But yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.